Looking to bypass FRP locks on Android? In this video, we review RiseRom FRP Tool to see if it's safe, reliable, and effective. Part 1. What is RiseRom FRP Bypass? RiseRom FRP Bypass offers APKs to bypass Android FRP for brands like Samsung, Huawei, LG, and Xiaomi. It's not official, so downloads may risk malware or errors. Safer alternatives are covered in this video. Part 2. What are the main functions of RiseRom FRP Bypass? Part 3. Is it safe and free to use RiseRom FRP Bypass? Is RiseRom FRP Bypass safe? No, it's an unverified source not linked to Google, with risks like malware, outdated tools, instability, and no clear developer transparency. Is it free? Yes, but unsafe compared to official tools. Part 4. How to download and use RiseRom FRP Bypass. Power on device, confirm FRP lock, return to hello screen, and press both volume keys for 3 seconds to activate TalkBack. Enable TalkBack tap, turn on, draw a reverse L gesture, then select while using the app. Settings voice commands say, open settings, disable TalkBack volume keys. Open phone clone system phone clone, select new phone Android. On another device, download factory test, APK plus quick shortcut maker, APK from RiseRom. Transfer APKs, install quick shortcut maker and factory test. Run engineering test 3 back to home, initialize to English. Part 5. What are the good and bad of RiseRom FRP Bypass? Pros: free, supports multiple brands, step-by-step guides, custom ROMs, easy downloads. Cons: unverified source, malware risk, legal issues, outdated tools, complex steps, no developer support. Part 6. Is there a safer alternative to RiseRom FRP Bypass trouble-free? For a safe, reliable, beginner-friendly FRP bypass, Android Lock Wiper is a strong alternative to RiseRom, avoiding malware risks and offering professional support. 01. Install and launch tool. Begin by downloading and installing the FRP Bypass software on your computer. Complete installation. Open the program. Select Remove Google Lock FRP in advanced mode. 02. Connect device and configure. Attach your Android phone via USB and prepare it for bypass. Click Start to begin. Enter required device details. Follow prompts to enter recovery mode. Select PDA, country, and carrier. 03. Download and unlock. Retrieve necessary data and execute the bypass. Download the data package. Extract firmware and enable USB debugging. Activate OEM unlock. Follow on-screen steps until FRP lock is removed.